What's up guys, Perry from Rockville here, and today I'm going to show you how to set up your G-AMP 10 watt guitar amplifier. As you can see, it comes with the amp itself with a power cable already attached. It also comes with a handle on top so we can bring the amp from gig to gig. Now to connect a guitar into the amplifier, you're going to need a 1/4-inch instrument cable. You'll want to make sure to use an instrument cable specifically because if you use other 1/4-inch cables like speaker cables, etc., you may get a weird buzzing sound coming through, so to ensure that doesn't happen, you'll need an instrument cable. So you'll take one end and plug it into the 1/4-inch input of your amplifier, then you'll plug the other end right into your guitar. So now I'll go ahead and turn on the amp. Next I'll want to raise the volume knob on my amp, then I can raise the gain knob just a bit for more juice, and then I'll want to raise the volume knob on my guitar. So now if I play my guitar, you'll hear it coming right out of the amplifier. Now we can really dial in the sound we want coming out of the amplifier using the gain, treble, and bass knob. The treble knob will affect all of the high-end frequencies coming out of the amp, and the bass knob will affect all of the low-end frequencies coming out of the amp. So for example, the more I raise the treble knob, the more high end you hear coming out of the amplifier. And if I were to lower that all the way down, you won't hear much of that high end but more low end coming through. Same thing with the bass knob. If I turn that up all the way, start to play a little bit, you'll definitely hear a lot more body out of the mix. And if I lowered it all the way down and start to play a bit, you'll just hear the high end with no body at all. Then we have the gain knob, which we can use to add a bit more crunch to our guitar sound. So for example, if I raise that all the way while I'm on the clean channel here and start to play a bit, you'll definitely hear some more crunch coming through. Now all of these knobs will affect the sound that's coming from both the clean channel and the drive channel that we have on the amplifier, which we can activate by pressing the channel select button right here. So when we have this button unpressed, the amp will be in the clean sound, and we can press it in to activate the drive sound for a more crunchy tone. So for example, if I raise the gain up on this channel, we'll get a nice crunchy tone with more sustain, which is great for heavy rock songs, guitar solos, and much more. Allow me to demonstrate. What's also really cool is that this amp has the Bluetooth feature, so we can connect any smartphone or tablet to the amp. This is really handy if you want to play music through your amplifier or even jam along to your favorite backing tracks. To activate it, I'm just going to press in the Bluetooth button here. You'll then see this light letting us know that the amp is looking for a device to pair to. So then you can go into the Bluetooth settings of your smartphone or tablet, search for the device that reads G-AMP 10, click on it to pair, and you'll hear that sound letting us know the devices have connected. From here you can play music from Apple, Spotify, etc. Or you can go into the YouTube app and search for any of your favorite backing tracks to play along to. To control the volume of the music coming out of your amplifier, you'll want to use the volume buttons on either your smartphone or tablet. And once you find the right backing track, you can start playing along and practice. There's also a headphone jack on the amplifier, so we can connect a pair of headphones for private listening. From there you can use the volume knobs to control the volume coming out of your headphones. You can also use the headphone jack to plug into your interface and record the guitar right into your DAW. To do that, we're going to take a 3.5mm to dual 1/4-inch cable, plug the aux end into the headphone output on the amp, then plug the 1/4-inch ends into 2 channels on your interface. From there we can go into the DAW and create 2 mono tracks or 1 stereo track. We're going to set the gain on each channel on our interface, then set up the settings on your amp however you want, and you'll be good to record. Now when recording with this method, we recommend using the clean channel, because if you were to use the drive channel or even too much gain, you might get a fuzzy sound from your track. But if you are looking to get a crunchier sound to your recording, you can always use plugins or amp simulators to achieve that. So let's get to recording and hear how it sounds. Now you can also record your G-AMP 10 by miking up the amp itself. We have a great video to show you how to do that called How to Record Your Guitar Amp. In the video we show you how to do this with your G-AMP 40, but you're going to follow the same exact steps but with using the G-AMP 10. So hopefully this showed you guys how easy it is to set up your G-AMP 10 watt guitar amplifier. But of course, if you have any questions, comments, or concerns, feel free to reach out to our customer support team through phone or email. As always, I'm Perry from Rockville, and we'll see you guys next time.